I've literally just come back and there's stuff missing from my bike. I've been in Spain for one day and already someone's been at my bike. I'm trying to ride through Spain and Portugal for 3 months on just £1,000 to prove that you don't need lots of money to have a proper adventure. But the only way I'm making this budget work is to volunteer for food and accommodation. And my first host has pushed my arrival date back by 3 days. So now I've got no bed, no food included, and 2 more days to survive without wrecking the budget. That gives me the freedom to explore northern Spain, break into a fortress, and see what I can get away with on next to no money. Welcome to Bike Louder Than Budget, Episode 4, Theft and Fortress. Good morning! Hope you guys slept well in there. Literally the second I start doing a video, someone comes in and starts hoovering. So, I need to repack my stuff because I'm fed up of not being able to shut my top box without ease. It's really fucking frustrating me now. The Arts Museum is very worth going to. Like, it's the main reason people come to Bilbao. I'm gonna go find some reflective tape for my drone to stop birds trying to attack it, and then we're gonna start heading down the coast. Also, my laundry needs drying. So let's go get it. That took way longer than it should have. Let's get out of here. This is what my mum has. This will make her happy, saying that I'm parked next to a bike that's the same as hers. To be fair, that was better than expected. Like, it's really nice being able to look around large exhibitions like this on this scale. It's such a beautiful spot. I'm really surprised how beautiful this city is. Like, Bilbao is a nice city, like, but it is a pain in the ass to ride a bike around and park. You know how I was saying it's a really nice place? I've literally just come back and there's stuff missing from my bike. I put my change in here, it's all gone. All my change and the protector for my camera. It's only a little rubber protector. Like, just rubbing my change, honestly. To be fair, they could have nicked a lot more. Like, if they took this whole thing, I would have been really pissed off. But they've probably taken like €6, something like that, €6. Oh well. Here's a tip for flying a drone. Reflective tape will scare off birds coming close. Ever since I put tape on my drone, I've never looked back. Honestly, it really works. Don't have reflective tape in this fucking huge building. Anyway, on to this viewpoint. I think there may be a track up there. I'm not too sure. I mean, I don't think it's actually very well locked. We could just... yeah. What's the sign say? It doesn't say that you can't not open it, you know? Oop. Honestly, I had no idea that this building was up here. I saw that there's a cannon. Fuck walking up here. It took me like 10 minutes to ride up here. Washing line out, food in hand, and I'm gonna go find a nice spot to look at this view. Oh, and water, that's helpful. A bit windy. Yesterday's quinoa. So the wind fucked all the audio I recorded up here. So here's what's up. This is the completely up to you how to pronounce this, but basically it means old cannons of the area that we're in now. It sits high above the coast, with views over Bilbao's port and the sea. You can see why this matters so much to have a fort up here. This coastal battery has been here since the 1940s and was deactivated in the 1970s. These guns here are 150 millimeters. It's fucking huge guns. Today it's tunnels and bunkers and old cannons. Perfect place for an illegal rave, I think. What a place this is. I need to go find some fuel. I just gave the tank a slosh and it doesn't sound like I've got much petrol. Little did I know this wasn't the only problem I was going to face today. Hola. He said, I think he said nice bike, but in English. I don't know. And we're going to coast this corner. Ooh. Stay. Voila.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Such an easy mistake to make out here. I even do this back at home in England.
Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Open number 1, finish, you come back.
Oh,
Okay.
Number 1?
Finish, you come back.
Oh, yeah. You want me to pay for the fuel? Oh, no. Go on, in you get. Smells like a European petrol
Number 1.
Hola.
Okay.
Number 1, please.
Okay. Credit card.
Credit card.
Okay. Sí.
Ah,
Muy bien.
gracias.
Gracias.
Right, it's on to the hostel now. I really like these slip roads here. It's much safer and easier to join.
Give me an email. Is this your name? An email excited.
You know, and there's no need for me to write anymore. And I never was good at writing in the first place.
Bueno, ¿no pay with card?
Card, please.
Vamos.
I can't believe the difference in this hostel from the one last night. Like, admittedly, the other one was £2 cheaper and in a proper big city. But like, this is so nice. I can actually talk to people. Like, the staff are actually willing to have conversations with me, unlike the other ones. Spent a large amount of time yapping, and now it's time to get some food, I think. Fucking starving. And I think I fancy omelette. Omelette or pasta. There's no hob here. I've got 12 eggs, 6 eggs on each omelette. Half a pepper in each, and half an onion in each, and half a clove of garlic in each. Fuck it. And that only came to €11. But oh, today, €50 day. It's not good. It's not good. But tomorrow we will be in the homestay and we will be working. Let's get back and get fucking cooking. There's no hob here. There's no hob. Oh, fuck's sake. I don't know what to do. I mean, there's a microwave. Maybe I have to try and do an omelette in the microwave. Fuck it. We're going for olives, pickles, and mozzarella tonight. I can't be asked to go back to the shop. See you guys tomorrow. I finally got toothpaste. Now I got hands free. Oh, I don't know. It's been a while since I've been afraid. I'm so smitten